In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to convert Excel to DataTable in C# without OLEDB. Hey everyone, in this video, we'll learn how to convert an Excel sheet to a DataTable in C# without OLEDB using IronXL. First, create a Windows Forms application, then install the IronXL NuGet package. I've already done so. So next, we'll open the Form Designer and add these components to it. You'll need a button labeled Load Excel, an Open File Dialog component, and a DataGridView to show the data. Double-click the Load button to create button load Excel file _click. In the handler, set the file filter to Excel and show the dialog. After the user picks a file, use WorkBook.Load, import file path to open it, grab the first worksheet, and call worksheet.ToDataTable. Assign that data table to DataGridView 1.dataSource. No OLEDB, no connection strings. IronXL handles everything. All right, so let's run the app. Click Load Excel, choose File, and watch the grid fill with your worksheet data instantly. With IronXL, converting Excel to DataTable is really that easy. Perfect for quick imports, reports, or data processing in C#. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronXL, please sign up for the trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.